So now let's see how we can go around and save out and delete out baseline values as we want inside of Microsoft Project. So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks here, and if I want to see out the baseline values, then I can go around over here onto the top left corner, and then I can right click on this box right here and then click on variants. So once you do that, over here you can see the baseline start and baseline finish. You can go around and then enter out the baseline values manually, or you can go around and then save out the baseline values based on the start and finish date that you already have as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the project section right here. So once you go around onto the project tab section, you can see that set baseline is an option. If you were to go around and click right here, then you can go around and set baseline right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the baseline that is there by default. So if I were to go around and then simply select entire project and press OK, you can see that now the start and finish date has been copied out onto the baseline right here. Similarly, you can go around and set out the baseline right here, and you can see that this particular date has been saved out in the baseline. So if I were to go around and make some changes right here, let's say for example, if I were to go around and change it just like this, then what happens is that you can see that the baseline and the main project has changed. But you can go around over here and then set baseline right here, and then select out, let's say for example, set the baseline that the current task right here as baseline right here, but nothing changes out. So in that case, you can go around and click on set baseline right here, just like this, and you can see that you can go around and then even go around and select the interim task. That means you can go around and select out baseline 1 into baseline right here. That is, you're copying out the content of baseline 1 into baseline. And if I were to go around and press OK right here, it says it has already been used. But if I were to press OK, now you can see that the baseline value changes as per baseline 1. You can go around over here onto set baseline and clear out the baseline as well, just like this, and it deletes out the baseline right there. So you can see that this is how you can do. You can set out the baseline, and then you can select out the baseline as per how you like as well. So I'm just going to go around, and you can see that this is how you can go around and set baseline and so forth. But I'm just going to go around over here and select out, let's say the baseline 1 into baseline and press OK, and you can see that this is what you have again. Let me just go around and press Ctrl Z, and for the baseline you can also go around and select some of the tasks right here, just like this, and then go around onto set baseline right here. Then what you can do is you can go around over here and click on selected task right here and set it out as a baseline as well. So only these values are copied out onto the baseline, as you can see, just like that. And that is what you can do. You can go around over here and clear out the baseline according to how you want as well. So you can just go around and delete the baseline as you want as well. So that is how you can save around and delete around the baseline values inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.